Presenting the Redmi Note 10T 5G, designed with 3D curved back and evolved design philosophy, in which the smallest element will give a large impact for an immersive experience while watching videos, playing games, and reading ebooks. The phone is available in chromium silver color. It is also available in the color of metallic blue, mint green, graphite black, with memory storage of 4GB RAM, 64GB and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. The phone comes with a 4GB LPDDR4X RAM and 64GB memory with UFS 2.2 storage. It has an expandable storage of up to 1TB. The phone has a dual 5G SIM with hybrid SIM card slot. This phone has a 6.5 inches FHD Plus AMOLED.IPS display, 180Hz touch sampling with 90Hz high adaptive refresh rate that optimizes power usage as per user's activity. The screen is guarded by Corning Gorilla Glass protection and a pre-applied screen guard for added protection. It features P2I splash proof, which protects the phone from accidental spill or splashes. The Reading Mode 3.0 with paper texture helps to protect the eyes. It comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The phone comes with triple rear camera setup, powered with AI vision technology. The 48-megapixel primary camera has an aperture ratio of f1.79, 2-megapixel depth lens and 2-megapixel macro camera lens. It has an 8-megapixel front camera. Powered by MIUI 12 operating system with MediaTek Dimensity 700 octa-core processor with 2x A76 Cortex, clocked up to 2.2 GHz speed. It is designed with 7nm technology. The phone comes with one lithium polymer battery with a power rate of 5000 mAh, supports for 18-watt fast wired charging, gives a battery life of 2 days. The phone's standby time with data stays up to 456 hours. The box includes Redmi Note 10T 5G, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide, clear soft case, screen protector pre-applied on the phone. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Let's go. Pick up the pace. Say what? Pick up the pace.
वाह अभीश, दैट वाज फास्ट। पर क्या आप 2.7 GB की फाइल 1 सेकंड में डाउनलोड कर सकते हो? आ रहा है Redmi का फास्ट एंड फ्यूचरिस्टिक 5G स्मार्टफोन Redmi Note 10T 5G।
Pick up the pace.